कोई नहीं तेरा गुणदास, कोई नहीं तेरा गुणदास, या जग में अरे तू जागत रही, मनवा तू जा, मनवा तू जा, मनवा तू जा, आगत रही। Welcome to the workshop about the development of Alap in Khayal genre or Khayal presentation. Roughly we classify ragas into two types. Whatever I say, we discuss. This is a very, you can say, a little manifestation of what I learned from my Guruji over the period of 30 years, and that parampara, what I belong to. So that I can share, and I am sharing today. So roughly we classify into two types. One, the ragas which we develop a note by note, and another type is phrase oriented. Note by note means it's more gambhir prakriti ragas like Yaman, Todi, Malkons. So we explore a note by note. We speak, we do alap around one note. And the other type is phrase oriented ragas. The alap will be in phrases. If you sing one particular one note, it's a bit difficult, or it's very we are not talking about that raga properly. So that those kind of ragas like Kedar, Gaud Sarang or Jaunpuri, those ragas we try to develop with the phrases and with the help of alap. So what is alap? This is the main subject of today's workshop. What is alap? In a general terms, we can say the improvisation of a raga or combination of notes using many different techniques like meend, khatka, murki, andolan, gamak. Alap means it's an expansion of a raga. Actually, raga expresses its nature, its structure and beauty through its alap. We sing bandish, we sing taan. So all ingredients, all parts should be there, but alap is the main, you can say, essence, or it's a heart and it's a atma of a raga. Bandish we can sing 2 times, 3 times, and again we have to come back to the alap. We use like Vadi, Samvadi, Aroha, Avroha, everything is there. Aroha, Avroha means it's like a showing a picture of a jalebi. Only I am showing that. I am not giving to have a taste. But actually, alap is what we taste and what we enjoy, what we explore. In alap, there are 2-3 types. One, we do introductory alap. Introductory alap is very important because it is the, we can say it's a giving direction to your presentation. What kind of a composition you sing, Madhyalay or Dhrit or Vilambit, or today you are singing Yaman for 50 minutes or 10 minutes or 5 minutes, that all depend on your introductory alap. In a general terms, when we meet people, we introduce ourselves. We don't disclose or we don't tell everything to everyone. If I met someone in bus or a train, I won't tell my story. Oh, I born in there from 48 years, my all history. I don't tell him. Where requires, I tell. So like that, even in raga, when we do introductory alap, through introductory alap, a good musician, a good rasika, good audience can make out that, oh, he's singing today, he's Vilambit today, or oh no, he's singing Madhyalay. It's like your introduction, you are introducing a rag. Rag means alap. Composition is there, I'm not denying that, because without composition, we can't do alap much. We can do, because in Dhrupad they do Nom Tom alap, and even in Agra Gharana they do Nom Tom alap. But with the words, with the composition, we do alap. So first is introductory alap. Next comes alap with Vilambit Bandish. It's a main part what we present in Khayal music. Khayal, like they say Bada Khayal for Vilambit. Here we explore raga according to the raga nature. I told whether it's note by note developing rag or it's a phrase oriented rag, like that. So accordingly we do alap, and raga bhava should depict in our alap. Then third is alap with Dhrit composition. I started with the workshop with that, Manavatuja. I did small alaps. Generally we do alap with the lay. Lay and tal, these two concepts are very, very important for our alap or our presentation. A lay is very sukshma. It's in a micro level. We apply that. And tala is little sthula. We say him tintal. So it won't change for some. Lay may differ. So even in Vilambit, my Guruji always says that in which lay you are singing Vilambit composition, the introductory alap should be accordingly, it should be suitable for that speed. For example, Bega bega ava mandira, bega bega ava mandira, be. If I sing like this, the introductory alap will be very slow. Slowly audience will connect, oh okay, he's singing Vilambit. It applies vice versa also. it's not suitable. It's like someone you invite for a lunch or a dinner. So you set a plate, and in that plate you will serve only two pieces of like Mare biscuit and cup of tea. Then they will think, what is this? Plate is so big, and you are keeping only two biscuits. It's not matching. Like that, alap should match. Introductory, especially introductory alap should match what you are singing next. Uh, how to sing alap? Now, I will sing. All of you, you can repeat. We will sing together. We'll start with the introductory alap. I will sing, all of you repeat. You can sing loudly. Rasiya Mara All of you sing the Mukda. रसिया रसिया मारा अमलारा रसिया रसिया म्हारा अमलारा रसिया म्हारा अमलारा रसिया अमलारा रसिया म्हारा म्हारा रसिया म्हारा अमलारा रसिया म्हारा आजो जी आजो जी रसिया म्हारा म्हारा रसिया रसिया अमलारा राता माता 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 अमलारा रसिया म्हारा अमलारा रसिया रसिया म्हारा Rasiya, Rasiya, Mara, Amalara, Rata, Mata, Rasiya, Dasi thare mein janam janam Dasi thari janam Dasi thari mein Mhane Nita Chaho ji Jama Janama Dasi thari mein So this is the Vilambit presentation. We use words. In some gharanas, they use akar, but my Guruji and that parampara, we use the composition words. Generally, we try to sing all the words of the Bandish. Now, Rasiya, Mahara, Amalara, Rata, Mata, Ajoji. This is Asthai. At least we try to sing all the, not only Rasiya, 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 otherwise it becomes little monotonous. So, Now, uh, Dhrit Bandish, I will sing. I will sing once, you repeat, and the alap also like that. मनवा तू जागत रहियो मनवा तू मनवा तू जागत रहियो मान लो मोरी बात मान मान लो मोरी बात मान लो मोरी बात मनवा तू जागत रहियो मन मनवा तू जागत रहियो मनवा तू जग झूठा सब माया झूठी जग झूठा जग झूठा सब माया झूठी कोई नहीं तेरा गुणदास कोई नहीं तेरा गुणदास या जग में अरे तू जागत या जग में या जग में अरे तू जागत आगत रहियो मनवा तू जागत मनवा जागत मनवा तू जा मन मनवा तू जागत रहियो मनवा तू जागत मनवा तू जागत 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 रहियो मनवा तु मनवा मनवा जागत रहियो मनवा तु जागत मनवा तु जागत जागत रहियो मानवा 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 मनवा तु जागत जागत जग झूठा सब माया झूठी माया माया झूठी सब माया जग झूठा सब माया झूठी जग झूठा सब जग झूठा सब माया झूठी कोई नहीं तेरा गुणदास या जग में अरे तू जागत या जग में गत रहियो मनवा तू आगत रहियो मनवा तू मनवा तू मनवा तू गत रहियो। So this is for Dhrit. According to Lay, we change the alap patterns or the usage of khatka, murki, because for every these components it has a lay. Both are meaned only, but that the time or the lay is different. So according to the Vilambit, we sing those pieces. Even khatka. The same, but that's why I told lay is very important. So we should get in which lay we have to sing or we are performing. Accordingly, it should not be like he's playing something, we are doing something. Okay, once in a, like that mukhda we meet. It won't happen like that. Every beat, the micro beats. In Khayal music, the tabla artist is so important because they give us the idea or the structure or the, you can say, the path where to, how to, we have to fill the alap. So this is the Ahir Bhairav is like a kind of note by note improvisation rag. For a demonstration purpose, I will sing a small, like some part. I will sing Jaunpuri and I will show that I present a Madhyalaya Rupak composition. In that I do little alap. So I told this is phrase oriented raga. If I sing like this, first of all, people will think that, oh, Dattatreya has some confusion whether to sing Darbari or Jaunpuri or something else. बिनती सुनो गिरधारी बिनती सुनो गिरधारी बिनती सुनो गिरधारी नंद के दुलारे नंद के दुलारे बिनती सुनो बिनती बिनती सुनो बेना ते सुनो नंद के दुलार बिनती सुनो बिनती सुनो बिनती सुनो बिनती सुनो बिनती सुनो गिरधार नंद के दुलारे बिनती सुनो बिनती सुनो बिनती पधारो मंदिरवा पधारो मंदिरवा पधारो मंदिरवा पधारो मंदिरवा पधारो मंदिरवा पधारो पधारो मंदिरवा गावो पधारो मंदिरवा गावो बजावो गावो बजावो आनंद लावो आनंद लावो बिनती सुनो गिरधार बिनती सुनो कानन कर मुजरार बही कानन कर मुजरार बही कानन कर मुझे कानन मुझे कानन कर मुजरार बही जाय करे हो पुकार लंगर डगर गगरिया मोरी दीनी डार कानन कर मुजरार बही कानन कर मुजरार बही कानन कर मुजरार बही कानन कर मुजरार बही जाय करे हो पुकार लंगर डगर गगरिया मोरी दीन डार कानन कर मुजरार औंछर जाज सुदा से कहियो
औंछर जाज सुदा से कहियो अपन लंगर धीट को संभारे अपन लंगर धीट को संभारे कानन कर मुजरार भई कानन कर मोजे बही कानन कानन कर मोजे बही कानन कर मोजे अब कानन कर मुसरार बही कानन कानन गर मोजे बही कानन कानन कर मोसे बही कानन कर मोसरार बही कानन कानन गर मोसे अबही कानन कर मोसरार औंछर जाज सुदा से कहियो औंछर जाज सुदा से यशोदा यशोदा औंछर जाज सुदा से कहियो अपन लंगर धीट को संभारे कानन कर मुजरार बही कानन कर मुसे कानन कर मुसे कानन कर मुजरार बही
So, the alap is very important, and the alap is what we take with us to the home after the concert. Most of the times we don't remember the bandish what the singer sang, or we don't remember, like, the patterns of dance, but the alap, that touches the hearts and the audience. Many, like olden days, he sang that Yaman composition also they remember, but that day he did alap, like that people say. So alap is the very important and vital role it should play in our presentation. So if you have any questions regarding this.
Sir, during the rendition, how important is the tabla accompaniment? Like normally we say theka, right? For example, din tal, din din tal, din tal. How important is that bhara or tugda mugda that they play along? Sorry, if this is not learned to...
No. Two things it should be, we have to take care. One is theka. Theka, it's for to come back to the composition, the mukda. Then to do alap also, we should know where we are. Then we can plan. Now,
कानन कर मुजरार बही कानन कर मुसरार बही कानन. This is in the khali. Kanan. If I start the alap near the khali, then I can use another avartan.
कानन गर मोसे कानन कानन कर मोसे धार. So I said the tabla theka is an integral part of our presentation. We have to be so alert what they are playing. At least we should know that around in which beat we are like they are playing or we are singing. In Vilambit, here the avartan is fast, so we can wait all that. But in Vilambit, many a times when we concentrate on the alap, suddenly if you stop and if you ask, hey, which beat, I may not say, but I can say around, oh, it's around Nanakat or Tiraketa Tin or Tiraketa Din. That we can make out. We should know that. Otherwise, it's very difficult to plan a alap if we don't know the theka. Okay. Okay. Thank you. We shall conclude today's workshop. Thank you. I would like to thank Shri Sampath and the new place. This is Prangana. Actually, this is the first concert happening. So I wish best wishes to Shri Sampath ji and his friend Umesh ji and my friend also. He's taking care of audio part and Sampath video plus this place. It's a very beautiful, small, but it's very because the interaction with the audience or interaction with the students is what we expect that we can get here. So thank you Sampath, thank you Umesh ji.